Once again, good afternoon everyone, and thank you so much for this award. Naalala ko lang po, parang tatlong taon na po ako nag-aayos ng Ilocadong parangal at nagtatali ng kung sino man po ang makatanggap ng Blessed School of Zoom. It's been also 3 years na nagtatali po ako, nag-aayos ng Dean's certificates. But this year, it's a little different for me. Yung project head po and the whole co-NSG helped me to make this event possible. As in, wala po akong ginawa kundi mag-asikaso lang ng kung anong dapat asikasuhin. So this speech is a heart full of gratitude, joy, and love. Ano ba yan? Tawa muna kayo. Natahimik pa yan. Ayan. A heart full of gratitude, joy, and love. That's all I have today. Sa totoo lang po, meron po akong plaque. Dahil po SD ako din po nagpagawa. Tapos po, nasa Lalamove ako. So, to follow po yung aming plaque ni Sir Arlwin. Going back, joy and love is all I've carried with me throughout my 4 years here at the College of Education. As I accept the Blessed Scobillion Rousseau Excellence in Academics and Leadership Award, I am once again given the voice to speak as I am as a student leader. And I hope you allow me to share these 3 things that represent my heart and my journey as a student, a leader, your goal, and your activities in the college. First is my student life. Ready na ba kayo? 30 pages to. Portfolio. As many of you know me, I am your Activities. I've carried this title not just with heart, but also with age. I'm turning 26 this year. And if you're wondering why, sorry, very ganda pa rin kahit old na. I once thought life was easy. I had mom and dad. My mom was a former accountant sa HSI, so pinanganak po ako sa LaSalle. And LaSalle had always been my dream school. But in 2014, my dad passed away. That loss delayed my college journey for 3 years. Just 3 days after graduating from senior high school, I am proud that I was already working as a BPO at I-Corps, and my dream was just simple, to save up and go back to De La Salle. During that time, I already felt the calling of being a teacher. Even though hindi pa yun ang gusto ko po talagang maging lawyer, I was already part of a training team, teaching new hires before they entered the production. Never ko po itong ikahihiya. I was a call center agent. Dr. Charles Yu offered me a scholarship in 2021. Sabi niya, I can help you study, but you cannot choose a course na gusto mo. You have to choose the course with the lowest tuition in LaSalle. Sabi ko, okay na to. I have never dreamed to be a teacher, but still, it was a dream come true. I am here at the LSUD. Throughout 8 semesters, I gave my best. I may not be the most intelligent, but I had the eagerness to learn and unlearn. I may not qualify for Latin honors anymore, but I have no regrets. Why? I gave more than what is expected, and I pour all my heart that I can every course I encountered in my academic what do I want to tell you? Academic excellence is something you can be proud of. But more than that, it's about perseverance. Your teachers impart knowledge, and your part is to be responsible to give your best in return. Next thing, Les Escobilon was an advocate for education, especially for the marginalized. I've been through a lot, and we were never rich. And we meet people here in the College of Education from different walks of life. But I want to inspire you. Even life's uncertainties should never stop you from receiving quality education. Study hard, pray, and trust the Lord will provide. This is my faith that no matter what life gives you, you must believe, act, and have faith. We're done with our first one, which is my student life. Next, my journey as a student leader. I have been part of the same organization for almost 4 years. And as a scholar who didn't have to do student assistant, I was blessed with the opportunity to serve. And I knew I just had to pay it forward. Yesterday, I was asked in an interview. Yes po, may interview po guys po video. Hindi po siya exact words or verbatim, but this is how I understood it. Why did you apply even though LaSallians are known to serve without expecting anything in return? My answer was, it reflects my journey as a student leader. I want to inspire others to lead, not for the recognition, but out of compassion. As early as now, educados, do your best with love and quality. And as Jackson Brown said, don't work for the recognition, but do work worthy of recognition. Sa lahat ng tambay sa office, alam nyo ilang beses ko na yung sinabi. So I hope this lingers in your soul as I graduate. Whether in leadership or in any area you want to grow, commit to it. Student leadership open doors you never expect if you are committed. And as LaSallian future educators, alam ko, marami po tayong thank you sa mga teachers natin, pero isa lang sasabihin nila. Let's pay it forward, let's be a good teacher, let's put our hearts into our zeal for service. And last, my message to the College of Education. Naiyak na ba kayo? Kailangan tissue. Let me begin my message to the College of Education with the words of our patron saint, Les Escobilon Rousseau. He won them over by his kindly manner and his respect for them. Lagi kong sinasabi sa mga officers ko and to the people I meet, it's always better to be kind than to be right. Because you didn't know kung anong pinagdadaanan ng kung sinong kausap ninyo. Even though at some point, medyo tinitrigger nila yung mga stressful brains there, at the end of the day, choose to be kind. These words perfectly capture the spirit I experienced and try to embody during my time here. And with that, I want to express my deepest and most heartfelt gratitude to the people of the College of Education. First, ito na po, this is where I call names. Sir Arvin, our Dean of the College of Education, thank you so much po, palakpakan naman natin, sir. Super thankful po ako sa ating Dean and kay Dr. Paterno S. Albertado. Sobrang supportive po nila sa student government. And without their support, our activities hindi po siya mangyayari. So, salamat Sir Arvin. Sobrang thank you po sa iyong warm presence at pagiging mabuting dekano po ng ating kolehiyo. Sir Mar, thank you so much po. Sabi ko kanina, feeling ko talaga, kahit di nga po kami masyado close ni Sir Mar, super vibes po kami kasi may strong points. Si Sir Mar po kasi yung kind ng advisor na, okay Feliz, Basta tama ginagawa mo. Paglalaban ka hanggang dulo, ay sumasarap ng ayun kami ito. Ganun po yung spirit na meron si Sir Mar. And I am thankful kasi po, tama po siya. Nag-vibe po yung aming values. So, thank you so much, Sir Mar. To Ma'am Shona, the PE head, super thank you po sa support. And Sir Gatti, our very cool read and share. Feliz, hanggang dulo, susuportahan kita. Lagi yan sinasabi. Maraming salamat po. For co-ed secretaries, Ma'am Lynn, Ma'am Louie, Ma'am Lynn, Ma'am Flor, Ma'am Louie, Ma'am Apple, Ma'am Gail, and of course, Ma'am Che. Super thank you po. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Dito ko po naranasan gaano ang pagmamahal at suporta ng mga tao ito sa kolehiyo. Imagine our secretaries helping us out in our events, even though it's not part of their job description, doing an extra mile for us. So thank you so much, and please, students, treat them with utmost respect and love. To the PFP teachers, Ma'am Mara, thank you so much po. Nanay Beng, Ma'am Lucille Calairo, thank you so much po. Sir Frank po ng FO, salamat din po. Kay Ate Bev, kay Kuya Beren Heaven, kay Ate Angge, kay Kuya Erwin, lahat ng ating housekeeping staff, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin sila. Of course, nalilimutan ko naman ba ng aking advisor, yung second year ako, Dr. Olivia M. Legaspi. I was once in Brazil, and I didn't know na kaya kong pumunta sa South America. It's super mahal niya. But then, Ma'am Olive, she gave me just 50 euros. But you know what? That brings so much in my heart. And the reason why you have Ate Feliz in here receiving this, she is one of the reasons why. Of course, Miss Relene Antenor Cruz. Sa tuwi-tuwi naman talagang pagod na ako. Ayoko na talaga. Isang message lang ni Ma'am Relene. And she's alive. Na Feliz, kaya niya. Galing-galing po. With all the kind words. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Relene. Love you. And of course, Sir Royce A. Salva. Para lang sa kaalaman ng lahat, dati din po President si Sir Royce ng ating SG. And thank you so much, Sir Royce, for your mentorship sa lahat ng iyong mga turo. Same holder of this award as well. And of course, nalimutan ko ba naman? Kaya ka lang. Mrs. Cristina M. Padilla. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you po so much sa inyong help. Whenever, hindi ko na alam paano ako magdedesisyon sa mga nangyayari. Ma'am Tina, paano ko gagawin ko. And it's more than that. It was a guide. Maraming salamat po to the whole College of Education. To the College of Education Student Government over the years, taas naman po sa mga co-ed dyan ng mga alumni. Nakita nyo kanina, inayos nila ang sarili nila sa pila. Bench, JD, Princess, Hazel, Ira, Janelle, Bella, and Aldri. Thank you so much. Guys, I was once a junior officer. Hindi po ako nandito before. Natuto po ako. And thank you to my seniors. Konti na lang. Isa na lang. support Co-ed-SG. Everything we do is for you. You should know that you are the core of Co-ed-SG. The reason that we are here, every event we plan, every initiative we launch is crafted just for you. So I encourage you to participate, not just because it's required, but it's because for your growth, your joy, and your journey. I also hope you do your best to help our college to maintain its status as Center for Excellence. You help your professors. Let's live up to this opportunity given to us by CHED to be proud Lasallian educators. Because when you step into your life as an intern, I promise you'll find yourself saying, "Thank you, buti na lang tinuro to ni Mama ni Sir." With that, I am Feliz Andrea Marie Abrera. Yes, I may be your Blessed Scovillion Awardee in your Co-ed-SG Governor 2024-2025, but more than anything, I will always be your Ate Feliz. Narinig hanggang JFH ang good morning, laging nakapink, minsan haggard, minsan slay, madaming alam na chika, sabi nga ni Chandler sa isang screenshot, kahit hindi nyo ikwento yan, alam na alam ni Ate Feliz yan. I will always be your Ate Feliz, who will unconditionally love and support you, who will clap the loudest for all your wins in life. I will forever be the proud Ate Feliz of the College of Education. Once again,